Do all animals possess a circulatory system? Students, like we have discussed about circulatory system in human beings, that human beings needs to circulate all the things which they require into their body parts, like oxygen, water, minerals, nutrients, and even they require to circulate waste products till kidneys. We have discussed regarding human beings that it comprises of three components: blood, blood vessels, and heart. Now let's discuss about other animals. Do all animals possess a circulatory system? क्या आपके सभी animals, whether they are simple or advanced, they have circulatory system? The answer is no. All animals do not possess a circulatory system like human beings, but they do have circulation of substances into their body. They do need to circulate these substances to different parts. So what these animals have, like hydra and sponges, they do not have a proper circulatory system. As these animals live in water, so they get food and oxygen from the water as it enters into their bodies. तो इनकी bodies में कोई circulatory system नहीं है, but water के साथ ही, like they live in water, so along with the water, these nutrients, oxygen enter into their bodies, and as the water comes out, it takes away the carbon dioxide and waste materials out of it. That means they do not require proper system. As they live in water, so through water only, nutrients, oxygen enter into their bodies. और water के साथ ही ये सब चीजें उनकी body से बाहर निकल जाती है. Okay? So that's how these kind of animals circulate the substances into their body. Now our important topic, next topic of the chapter is excretion in animals. First of all, what is excretion? The removal of waste products from the body. The process of removal of waste products which are actually produced in our body itself. तो हमारी body के हर cell, हर tissue जो waste produce करता है. So removal of those waste products is known as excretion. As we have done, as we have discussed, कि हमारी body में oxygen की requirement है. We need oxygen. We use oxygen for energy preparation. In return, our body produces carbon dioxide. Now that carbon dioxide is of no use for us. So that needs to be removed from the body. Similarly, our body uses various nutrients, many other substances which are used by it. And in return, each and every cell produces waste. So these waste products are very toxic, and hence they must be removed from the bodies of the living organisms. हमारी हर body part, हर body का cell waste produce करता है, and these waste products are very toxic. आपके जो waste products होते हैं बहुत toxic होते हैं, because these are waste, आपकी body ने absorb नहीं रख सकती. तो अगर ये कहीं पर भी आपकी body में कहीं पर भी इकट्ठा होंगे, that will harm your body, that will harm your body parts. Okay, so these are very toxic and they need to be removed from our bodies. And the process of removal of these waste products is known as excretion. Now this is the excretory system in human beings, which actually comprises of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and urethra. So this is what the representation of human excretory system, जिसमें एक pair of kidneys यानी दो kidneys हम consider करते हैं, pair of ureters, this tube like structure जो tubes connect कर रही है आपकी, these two tubes, that means ureters, this bladder sac like structure where actually urine gets collected, and urethra through which urine is passed out from the body. So this is an organ system which consists of various organs, which consist of various parts, which actually helps in removal of waste from the body. Now let's understand the various parts in detail. First of all, we all know, Like we have discussed in circulatory system that aorta, which is the main artery, it takes the blood away from the heart. आपके हार्ट से oxygenated blood लेकर जाती है. Look at your aorta is mentioned here. So this is what aorta, it is having oxygenated blood. Now this aorta is having oxygenated blood, it will give the blood to the kidneys. ये आपका blood kidneys को देगी. Now this blood is what? Oxygenated. But now this blood is having waste products. क्योंकि ये आपका जो blood है ये पूरी body से आ रहा है. As well as आपका ये क्या कर रहा है? Waste products आपकी kidneys तक पहुंचाने का भी काम कर रहा है. Now this is what? Renal artery. यानी aorta में से जो artery kidneys तक actually blood लेकर जा रही है. We call it renal artery. Renal is another name for kidneys. तो kidneys का another name क्या होता है? Renal. तो renal यानी kidneys तक जो artery blood पहुंचा रही है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Renal artery. And this is renal vein, which is actually taking blood from the kidneys. Renal again, हम kidneys को कह रहे हैं और vein क्या है? जब blood वापस लेकर जाती है heart तक. So kidneys से वापस जो blood लेकर जा रही है vein, उसे हम क्या नाम देते हैं? Renal vein. और ये blood फिर कहाँ दे रही है? देख रही है? वेना केवा main vein, हमने last lecture में last class में पढ़ा था, उसमें डाल देती है ताकि वेना केवा वापस आपका blood right atrium तक पहुंचाए. Now these are the two kidneys. Bean shaped structure, आपका जो kidney bean हम तभी कहते हैं राजमा जैसे इसका shape होती है. Pair of kidneys, this is tube like structure, ureters. In tubes को हम ureter कहते हैं, जो kidneys से urine collect करके urinary bladder तक पहुंचाते हैं. Now this bladder is what? Sac like structure, एक खाली एक bag की तरह जिसमें आपका urine collect होता है. And this is what? Urethra, through which this urine, this waste is removed from the body. So this is what? Excretory system. Kidneys, there are two organs called kidneys present in our body. These kidneys contain blood capillaries that filter out the unwanted substances from the blood in the form of urine. So like we have discussed, so kidneys are the excretory organs. आपके blood को filter करने का काम kidneys करती है. So blood filtration यानी blood में से आपका nitrogenous waste को separate करने का काम kidneys का होता है. Then urinary bladder. The urine produced by the kidneys is stored in a bladder called urinary bladder. अब जो urine यानी जो waste kidneys produce करती है यानी blood में से separate करती है, वो urine कहाँ जाकर store होता है? Urinary bladder में. Third important part of excretory system is ureter. There are two tube-like structures which connect the kidneys and the urinary bladder together. Kidneys और urinary bladder को connect करने का काम ureters करता है. They actually allow passage of urine from the kidneys to the bladder. तो kidneys से bladder तक urine पहुंचाने का काम ureters करता है. And then urethra. There is a muscular tube through which the urine moves out from the body. So this is the exit point from which urine is passed out from our body. I hope you all have understood the functioning of kidneys. Dialysis. Sometimes a person's kidney may stop working due to some infection or injury, as a result of which kidney get failed. And the products, which we actually call as waste products, they start accumulating in the blood. They start accumulating in our body parts. Such persons cannot survive until their blood is filtered periodically through an artificial kidney. And this process of blood filtration by artificial means is called dialysis. So what happens sometimes because of some infection or injury or improper diet, kidneys stop working. That means kidneys get failed. So kidneys blood में से waste separate नहीं कर पाती. Then what happens? The waste gets accumulated in the blood. जो waste होते हैं वो blood में ही रहेगा and blood के through it will get accumulated into different body parts. और blood के साथ साथ ये waste body के different parts में इकट्ठा होता रहता है. And आपको पता ही है हमने waste के बारे में पढ़ा, these are very toxic. क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी की किसी काम के नहीं है, तो ऑब्वियसली दे विल हार्म आवर बॉडी. तो अगर ये वेस्ट आपकी बॉडी में कलेक्ट होते जाएंगे, देन व्हाट विल हैपन देन? अदर ऑर्गन्स में गेट इफेक्टेड, बाकी बॉडी पार्ट्स भी इफेक्ट होंगे, बाकी ऑर्गन्स भी खराब होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. So in such case, what the persons have to do, whether they should go for kidney transplant, यानी किडनी अगर वो किसी से ले ले, but that's not an easy process क्योंकि एक किडनी डोनर चाहिए, किडनी फिर मैच भी होना चाहिए. So till then क्या किया जाता है? Such persons have to go through artificial kidney filtration. That means through machines के थ्रू उनका ब्लड फिल्टर किया जाता है और उसमें से वेस्ट सेपरेट आउट किया जाता है. Although it's a tedious process as well as painful, बहुत like लंबी process भी है, painful भी है, but still people have to go through that and they need to remove the waste from their blood. And this process of artificial filtration is known as dialysis. So the people or the persons, those who go through this process, they become very like opportunistic, उनकी body बहुत weak हो जाती है. They need to filter out their blood periodically, sometimes once a week, or if the conditions get bitter, they have to go for dialysis even regularly. That means on a daily basis. So it depends on the conditions as well. So they need to filter out their blood through the help of certain machines. Otherwise, those waste products will accumulate in their body. उनकी body में इकट्ठा होते रहेंगे और उनको body को और ज़्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाएंगे. Now, these are some facts. An adult human being normally passes about 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. The urine consists of 95% of water, 2.5% of urea, and 2.5% of other waste material. So एक normal human being 1 to 1.8 liter urine पूरा दिन में पास करता है और उस यूरिन में मेनली क्या होता है? About 95% water, 2.5% urea जो waste material है, main nitrogenous waste, and 2.5% other waste material. Secondly, the way in which waste chemicals are removed from the body of animal depends on the availability of water. That means कि हमारी body से या किसी भी animal की body से जो waste remove होते हैं, वो इस पर भी depend करते हैं कि वो animal water पर कितना dependent है. Like if you talk about aquatic animals, now they live in water, so they excrete ammonia in the water. यानी वो बहुत ही dilute किस्म का एक तरीके से waste pass करते हैं water में. So they excrete in the form of ammonia. Like if we talk about birds, snakes or lizards, they excrete semi-solid or white-colored uric acid. Birds, snakes और lizards जो बहुत कम पानी पर depend करते हैं, बहुत कम पानी पीते हैं, they what actually excrete out? They excrete out semi-solid white-colored. किस फॉर्म में वो यूरिन पास करते हैं या किस फॉर्म में अपना वेस्ट पास करते हैं? दैट इज यूरिक एसिड. तो ये आपको याद रखना है कि जो आपके बर्ड्स है, स्नेक्स है, वो यूरिक एसिड रिमूव करते हैं बॉडी से. और फिशेस अमोनिया, बिकॉज दे लिव इन वाटर, सो दे हैव एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ह्यूमन बींग्स, वी एक्सक्रीट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन, जिसमें 2.5% यूरिया होता है. सो डिफरेंट एनिमल्स, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर, excrete waste in different forms. Now, how is sweat useful to us? We always talk about, we have talked about the waste products which are present in the blood, but there are many ways through which other waste products are removed from the body. हमने किडनी से तो एक ही तरीके के वेस्ट की बात की, बट आपकी बॉडी से और भी बहुत से वेस्ट रिमूव होते हैं. सबसे पहले कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेस्ट. तो ये भी तो हमारी बॉडी से बाहर निकलती है थ्रू आवर रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट इज स्वेट, पसीना. हाउ इज इट यूजफुल टू अस? Do you know sweat contains water and some salts and hence help in getting rid of toxic waste from the body. Sweat में water होता है, कुछ salts होते हैं जिसके साथ साथ बहुत से टॉक्सिक वेस्ट हमारी बॉडी से बाहर निकल जाते हैं. Also, as the sweat evaporates from our skin, it takes up our body heat and this makes us feel cool, especially during the summer days. ठीक है, आपने देखा ना कि जितनी ज्यादा गर्मी होती है उतना ज्यादा हमें स्वेटिंग होती है, उतना ज्यादा पसीना आता है. Why? Because sweating helps our body to feel cool. स्वेट यानी पसीना आने से क्या होता है, हमारी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर कम हो जाता है और हमें ठंडक महसूस होती है. तो जितनी ज्यादा गर्मी होती है तभी हमें उतना ज्यादा पसीना आता है, to make our body cool. Okay, like you must have noticed these days you're not sweating because this is no, there is no requirement of cooling down of body because already temperature कम हो गया है, so sweat भी नहीं आ रहा है because our body is already in the comfortable condition. So this is what excretion in animals, they excrete out